Hi everyone, welcome back to the Honeybee Stamps YouTube channel. This is Kelly, and to start out today, I have some cute inspiration from design team member Leanne, and she has created this super cute card using the camper trailer card die set, along with a sentiment set that I'm going to get to at the end of this video. So as you can see there, this large die set comes with the little outline of the camper and then all of the little bits and pieces to create a super cute vintage looking little camper. I've got all my dies and my paper cut out, and I'm going to start building my little camper. Now this is where it gets to the fun part, because you can just use your creativity, use whatever colors that you would like. I used a little bit of patterned paper in this design, and you can see there I put the silver in the middle of the tire and then the black tire part. Make my little door. I use pattern paper for the insides of the windows, pattern paper for the curtains, and then there's little trim pieces that I did in metallic silver. There's also a die that cuts out and will cover up the little hitch part on your camper. Make sure my windows are all nicely adhered, and then I'm going to put trim around the window as well. And then there's also a little awning piece. So the awning piece is going to have the score lines already built into the die. You can put that either over your door or over your window, and those are super easy to follow the score lines that are made or embossed when you run that through your die machine, and you just fold that up and adhere it to the back side or over your window, and then fold down the front scalloped edge, and that's what makes your cute little awning. I added my little silver hitch, and then that front part is all ready to go. Now there is a little die in that set that is scored and all ready for you to make this little camper into a card. So all you do is add some adhesive like score tape. You want it to be really strong so your camper card will stay together. And then you can adhere your little hinge piece either on the end back there, as I'm going to do, or you could also make it a top folding little camper card and add it to the top. So I'm going to peel off the paper on my double-sided tape there, and then I'm going to very carefully adhere that. I don't want any of that little hinge to show while my card is closed. And then I'm going to bend that down and then make sure my pieces of my camper line up nicely. And then I'm just going to squish everything together. And then now I have a camper shaped card. You can see there, give it a little open. Super cute. Now this card is from design team member Kelly Martin, and I love her design, the little pink camper and plaid curtains. Super cute. And this classic looking camper was made by Emily. I love that paired with the dies and sentiments in the journey set. And then this super cute card is from Bobby. I love how she paired the pattern paper and the little woodland critters we have there. So this is the sentiment set that I was telling you about. It's called Wild and Free, and this works perfectly with your camper card. So you have wherever you go, go with all your heart. You make me a happy camper. Happy trails to you. Life is better in flip-flops. Home is where we park it. The weaker the Wi-Fi, the stronger the connection. I love that one. I think that's my favorite in this set. Wild and free, life is more fun with you. Life is better around the campfire. Let's get lost together. You make life one big adventure. And then you've got the little s'mores there, flip-flops, a little wood grain heart, an arrow, and a little Wi-Fi symbol. There's a coordinating die set that goes along with this cute little stamp set, and it's going to cut out all of those greetings, plus it's going to cut the flip-flops and the s'more, the heart, and the arrow. I'm going to get all these laid out so you can look at how cute these little sentiment dies are. I love working with sentiments that have coordinating die sets, because that just stretches your stamp set. It gives you lots of variations in the way that you can play with those words and build that up. You can pop them up off the front of your card or stamp it down flat. Here Jill has made an awesome card with a little camper. I love the stitching detail, and then she used the "Let's Get Lost Together." Here Emily used a sentiment on the inside of her little camper card: "Wherever you go, go with all your heart." These products can be found right now at honeybeestamps.com.